Hi there, good day to you. Welcome to another property home tour. I'm Jayden from OrangeTee AAG. I'm excited and can't wait to show you a stunning 4-room HDB flat at Forfar Heights. Upon entering the unit is where the living and dining area faces north, south, ensuring there's no direct sunlight and keeping the apartment cool and comfortable. To my left is the enclosed kitchen and nicely fitted with cabinetry. The unit size is 90 square meter, which translates to approximately 969 square feet, and it consists of one master bedroom with an ensuite. Two common bedrooms, one common bathroom, and one household shelter. This 4-room flat is perfect for families, couples, or individuals looking for a spacious and well-located home in a vibrant neighborhood. This place is formerly known as Forfar House. It was once Singapore's tallest public residential building. It is just a short walking distance of approximately 0.25 km or 3 minutes to and from Queenstown MRT station. You will find an array of amenities nearby, including shopping malls, supermarkets, and recreational facilities. Additionally, reputable schools such as Queenstown Primary School and Crescent Girls School are in close proximity, making it ideal for families with children. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to arrange a viewing appointment, please contact me. I'm Jayden from OrangeTee AAG, signing off. See you soon.